Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to activate your Netflix gift card quickly and easily. Follow these simple steps to start enjoying your favorite shows and movies. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start, make sure you have your Netflix gift card handy. You will need the scratch-off code on the back of the card to complete the activation. Step 2. Go to the Netflix website. Open your web browser and navigate to the Netflix website. If you're not already a member, you will need to sign up for an account. If you have an account, simply log in with your credentials. Step 3. Access the redeem page. Once logged in, scroll down to the bottom of the home page and click on Redeem Gift Card, or go directly to the Netflix gift card redemption page. Step 4. Enter your gift card code. On the redemption page, you will see a field to enter your gift card code. Carefully scratch off the coding on the back of your card to reveal the code and type it into the provided field. Double check to ensure you entered it correctly. Step 5. Click Redeem. After entering the code, click the Redeem button. If your code is valid, your account will be credited with the gift card amount. You will see a confirmation message indicating that the activation was successful. Step 6. Start watching. Now that your gift card has been activated, you can start watching your favorite shows and movies on Netflix. Enjoy your binge-watching session. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more content like this. Happy streaming! Happy!